Blue Tongue Industries, Burleigh Heads, where? Queensland. Let's follow the links below to keep in touch with Blue Tongue Industries and what we have to offer you. Welcome to the Candy Shop. Chemicals for soft washing, pressure cleaning and window cleaning. Commercial and residential solar panel cleaning. Solar Tech. Gutter vacuuming from Skyvac. Portables, electric, petrol-powered interceptors, carbon poles and all the accessories. Window cleaning. What do we have? RO, DI, water-fed poles, brushes galore. Pressure cleaners, portable, skid mount, truck mount and all the accessories to go with it. High reach internal vacuuming. Telescopic poles, clamped poles, a huge arrangement of dusting brushes and accessories, and don't forget the ATEX. Solar Tech, Germany. Edge range, swivel, fixed, DuPont, flagged, flocked, boar hair. Pressure cleaning fittings, nozzles, quick connect. Traditional window cleaning tools from Mormon, been around since 1885. All your squeegees, sleeves, T-bars, scrapers, buckets, tools. Come in and say hi to Dolly. Soft wash parts and accessories. Where do I start? Soft wash skids, small, large, DIY. Just ask us how. Blue Tongue Industries. Check us out on the socials. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. bluetongueindustries.com.au